It's 2003 Chrysler Town & Country. The problem with this car, the brake light sometimes turns on when it wants to, so you might have the car off and the brake lights go off whenever they want to, so it's draining the battery. Today we're gonna go ahead and replace the brake light switch. So different cars are gonna have the different part number. For this one, it's the SLS 237. And we have here the part. This is the brake light switch. Do not move this little lever. Do not play around with this little lever. Do not move it until you install it, and then you're gonna move it. These are instructions. So let's go ahead and start removing this little panel. I'm gonna go ahead and start removing these bolts, these screws, I mean. Need a smaller screwdriver. Let's go ahead and remove the ones on the bottom. So I had two more screws. I don't have the mount for the camera right now, so I removed one from right here and the other one from down here. Now we're just gonna pull on this. And that should have dropped right there. Let's go ahead and check in the bottom, look for the switch. And we can see it right there. This is the brake light switch right here. Let's go ahead and remove it. So I'm gonna start by removing the little tab right here. Let's go ahead and twist this counter clockwise, and it goes right out of place. Okay, so this one has a little tab right there. You press it, and it's gonna let go of the connection once you. Now I removed this completely by mistake. So this is the old one. It's not working correctly. Let's go ahead and reinstall the other one. Here it is. The tab, that's how it should be. So let's go ahead and install it. Careful not to move the lever. There we go. Went in. Go ahead and reconnect this thing. There we go. Push the tab. It's in place right there. Make sure nothing is pressing on the pedal. Let me remove this out of the way. So nothing should be pressing the pedal right now. And let's go ahead and turn the little tab. There we go. So it's ready. That's all there is to it. Let's go ahead and test it. I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall this little mount here. Make sure you're lining up with the little tabs. Same thing on the other side. Make sure you line it up with the little holes right here. There we go. It's all there, all set and done. Let's go ahead and install the screws. I have one little screw right here. And we have another one right here. Let's go ahead and put the other two. And go ahead and install these two right here. Okay, I just moved it into place. I need a smaller screwdriver, so I'm just gonna do my best here on this one. Just snug it right there. So I'm testing out the brakes. Okay, turn it on. That worked. Again. Turn it on. Press it. And there you have it. Works great.